Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use the ticker symbol search bar on TradingView. This is useful for quickly finding stocks, forex, crypto, or indices and adding them to your charts or watch list. So once you're on your TradingView dashboard, what you will have to do is select any chart of your choice. So yeah, just go ahead and click that and click full chart. And once you're here, what you will have to do is you will locate ticker symbol bar. So it should be on the top left of your chart. So just go ahead and click that. And once you're here, you will just have to type the asset name or the ticker. So yeah, once you've already type your asset name, you will just have to select it. And the next you will just have to and by the way, once you've typed here your asset, auto suggestions may appear like this, and then again you will just have to click the one that you want. And you could also add it to your watch list uh by clicking by going to your watch list. Anyway, so once you're on your watch list section, what you will have to do is just you will just have to click create new list. And then of course you do have to make sure first that you already have a plan so that you will be able to actually do this. So what you will have to do is basically add it to your watch list if you already have that feature. So yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.